Comes completely assembled with a green belt seat and yellow plastic-coated swing chains. Swing chains are approximately 66 long. Bottom 30 of chain is coated in yellow plastisol for a soft, pinch-free grip. Attaches to most swing beams up to 9 high and features 2/0 swing chains that are zinc-coated. Swing seat measures 26 long and 5.5 wide. Commercial quality swing seat is constructed with high-quality, durable copolymer plastic and is for residential use only. Eastern Jungle Gym's heavy-duty swing seat is the perfect accessory for any backyard swing set. Use it as a replacement swing or to add another swinging position to your existing play set. This swing seat comes fully assembled with 66 inches of zinc-coated, 2/0 straight-coil swing chains that are adjustable up to 30 inches. The bottom 30 inches of the swing chains are coated in yellow plastisol to allow for a soft, pinch-free grip that is comfortable for even the most delicate little fingers. Constructed with heavy-duty, rust-resistant materials, this swing seat is extremely durable and made to last. Designed for residential use, this swing is designed for children but is strong enough for adults to use as well. Top reviews from the United States. Good rainbow replacement. Make sure you get snap hooks. The quality of these is quite good. Purchased to replace 14-year-old rainbow playset swings. The seat is the same width and thickness. The chain is smaller, so I was glad I bought the option with included snap hooks, as the original rainbow ones were too thick. Same for the trapeze that I bought to replace the original bar. Happy with the product, especially the price.